This video is meant for the use of my friends at the creative learning community. It's not intended to instruct or teach. It's just a review of things that we talked about on Wednesday. Wednesday we focused on colors, okay? I'm going to go in rainbow order as much as possible. Copy me while I do them. All right, so I'll go a little bit slowly. Red, the color of your lips. Orange, for orange we make an O for orange. We put it by our mouth and we squeeze the juice in. Orange. This is the color and the fruit, orange. Yellow, we make a Y. So basic hand shape, put these 3 fingers down. Here's your Y. And then we just wiggle it a little. This is yellow. Okay. Green, we're going to make a G, the letter G. The G is a little bit tricky to describe, but once you can make it, you'll be fine. So we're going to make our L hand, and then we're going to make like a pinchy finger, not all the way together, just kind of open, and turn it sideways. This is the letter G. As you can see, I have a little space here, and my fingers point that way. This is G, and to make the color green, we just give it that little wiggle, green. Okay. The color blue is the letter B. So we'll start with this, put our thumb over. This is the letter B, and to make it the color blue, we're going to give it that wiggle again, blue. Purple, all right. For this one, we need to learn the letter P. Do you remember making the letter K last week? We put up a peace sign, and then we touch our thumb to our tall finger. That makes our tall finger come down a little bit. This was the letter K, all right. For P, we just take the K and tip it down so that our index finger is pointing straight ahead. This is P. To make the color purple, we just give that a wiggle, just like the other colors, okay? Another color we use with the letter P, can you think of it? Starts with a P, it's a color. Yeah, pink. So we take our P, and we just do the same as we did with red, only with the P, because your lips can be pink too. Pink. All right, another one back to the letter B, okay, is brown. Take the B and just slide it down your face. All right, we have tan. Do you remember the letter T from last week? We put our finger here, close the rest. T for Tessie. Hi, Tessie. All right, tan is the letter T. We're not going to wiggle it. We're going to run it down our face like we did with the B for brown. All right, we have the color black. We don't need the letter B for black. We just need to point at our eyebrows. This means black because most people's eyebrows are black. The color white is a reminder that back in the day, a lot of men wore white shirts. So you tap your chest and then bring all your fingers together. Your hands should end up looking like this. We call it a flat O. So all your fingers, pull them out. This is the color white. Okay. We also learned some foods. We learned apple. So take your A hand, remember A, make an A, stick your finger up a little and twist that on your cheek like apple colored cheeks, apple. Orange we learned. Can you do orange? Do you remember? It's the same as the color. Did you make an O? Put the O in front of your mouth and squeeze the juice. Good. All right, we learned banana. For banana, you pretend that your one hand is a banana and you peel it with the other hand. Banana. Okay. We learned cracker. For cracker, you put your arm up and you knock doot doot on your elbow with your other hand. Cracker. And we learned bread or roll. You take your hand and you make it into just a fist. And now you're going to pretend like it's a roll, and you're going to take your other hand in like a curvy shape and just pretend to be slicing your bread. This is the word for bread or for roll. It's the same word. We also learned like, which I think we might have learned last week too. It looks almost like white. Start here, but when you pull your hand out, just these two fingers come together. Like. Okay, I'll show you from the side. Like. If you don't like something, Then you do like, and then you throw it away. Don't like. Don't forget your face. Don't like. I don't like that. We also learned want. You put your hands in front of you and you pull them like almost like you're opening a drawer full of things you want. Want. Okay? Can you guess don't want? It's kind of like don't like. Want. Put. Don't want. I don't want that. All right, now we did make some sentences using these concepts. We were asking for food. Of course, when you're asked for things, don't forget please. So I'm going to make another video, and I'm just going to put a couple of sentences on. I'll do them really slowly if you want to watch them, and see if you can figure out what I am saying. All right? I'll do that on the next video. If you don't want to watch it, it's okay, but try to practice the signs along with me. All right? And that way we'll be a little bit more ready for next week. I think this week we're going to learn animals. That should be fun. Okay? And numbers.